Hi everyone, Dan here with Wandering Wellness RV, and today we're going to talk about a stinky subject. That's how to dump your RV holding tanks. We're going to discuss in this video what you need to dump your tanks, how to do it effectively, and then ways to maintain your tanks and keep them deodorized and smelling fresh. So let's go get started. So I'm at my pass-through where I keep my sewer kit stored for easy access. First thing that I'm going to grab out is my box of gloves. You always want to use gloves when you're dumping your tanks. Make sure keep everything sanitary, and so you're not spreading germs or bacteria in your rig. Next thing I'm going to grab out is my garbage bag, where I keep my sewer hose and connections stored. And I know that this bag is for my sewer kit. It's contained in the area in the pass-through, where it's not going to contaminate anything else that I have down under there. I got my sewer kit and my gloves. Let's head over to the holding tanks. Okay, so we are now down at the tanks. We have our black tank here, gray tank here, and just out of frame is our city water connection and sewer tank flush. So I have my sewer hose. Super simple. I'm going to undo the cap. You may get a little bit of leakage coming out, but that's why you have your gloves on. Put the female end on your tank valve and turn it tight. I have my other end, which is a clear elbow, and I'm going to connect that into the dump station. And again, the elbow is nice and clear so that I can see the matter that's coming out of my holding tanks, and then to see when everything is fully evacuated. So I'm going to go put that in. And now this campsite we're going to be at for a while, so we also have a sewer slinky. And that I'm just coiling up my hose and fitting it right in. Now that my sewer hose is placed, I'm going to dump my tanks. I'm going to start with black and then do gray. The reason that I'm doing that is so that my gray waste can also help to clean the hose of any of the black tank matter. My black valve, and that's going to be the 3-inch blade. Now I'm going to let that evacuate, and then we're going to come back and dump the gray. My black tank is now dumped, now my gray. And while that's dumping and flushing the hose, now I want to talk to you about tank digesters and odor eliminators. The product that I like to use is Pure Power Blue by Valtera. It's a waste tank digester odor eliminator, good for high and low temperatures, liquefies all waste and toilet paper, works for both your black and gray. Okay, so now my gray is dumped. I'm going to close my valves. And it's that easy to dump your tanks. No mess and no odor. So if you're hooked up at a full hookup site, you'd keep your sewer kit out. If you're just pulling into a dump station, just do everything in the reverse order. Throw your sewer kit back in your bag, stored in your pass-through, where there's no chance of contamination.